Now, if you haven't done this already, it's important that you save your work as you're going along, so save it now. So once you've got one loft done, we need to do exactly the same thing with the other bars. So we're going to start a 2D sketch. We've already got our work planes shown here, so I'm just going to click on this work plane here. I'm going to start from this corner over here. So come to your circle tool, make sure that construction is not on if you've been using it previously, and you should just be able to come into this point here where these two kind of points align, and click on the center there, and then come out and then just tap in 4. Okay, finish your sketch there. That's the first one done. We're now going to do the trickier one at the top. So to start a 2D sketch, come over the edge of the work plane and click. Okay, so we want it to come out to here. So the first thing we're going to do is click on our line tool. It's exactly like we did before. Click on construction, very important that you do that, and then come over to the edge of where our circle is there. Click, so we've got our line tool, okay, and then just come out until you can kind of hover over the center of this outside line. See how it locks onto the middle of that line there when you hover over it. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to come over, click on the same point, zoom out, okay. If you are getting confused with your zooms, you could always zoom all. Okay. Now remember, going from your point to the line, you want to be on the right hand side. Okay, so think about it looking at it from that way. So you want to come out, and the dimension that we want to do is 132.69. You might like to write that down. So that's 132.69, enter, and then escape out of your tool. Okay, so now you want to click on the dimension tool, click on that line, and then come over and click on this central line, and we want to put in that dimension as that angle as 2.57 and press enter. Now you want to click on your circle tool, make sure you turn off construction line. If you forget to turn off construction line and you come down and click on the circle and you press 4, you'll see that it's a dotted line. If you escape out of your tool and you can just right click on that and you can turn off construction, but hopefully you turned off construction beforehand. Okay, so you can zoom all and you can see your work. Finish your sketch. We're now going to use the Loft tool to zoom in on this line here, and then come in and zoom in on this top one here and click, and that's now join those two. We're going to do exactly the same thing for the last one. So come down, start 2D sketch. You should be knowing how to do this easily now. Circle tool, onto the center, 4mm circle, finish that sketch, start a 2D sketch, put it on the top one, come down, we want to dimension all of that line, construction, outside part, lock it onto the middle, line tool still highlighted, coming to the right hand side of that line, 132.69, enter, click on the dimension tool, click on that line, and then click on that line, click one more time, 2.57 to get the angle right, turn off construction, use a line tool, circle tool, come through to draw a 4mm circle, and then not extrude, my mistake, loft. Okay, you want to come down, find that initial circle, zoom in until it hovers white, and zoom out. You can move the dialog box out of the way, come up, that top circle there, click OK. And then you can now just kind of hover over these. Actually, we'll finish out and do this in the next video.